me show you how to cook some scrapple, wrap of the original. You want to start by cutting it kind of thick. That's personally how I like it. And we're going to take some all-purpose flour, sort of like this, and kind of like dust. I'm going to dust your scrapple a little bit. And we're going to shake this excess off here. Shake that excess off. So that's about what she looks like once you dust. Then, in our pan, cast iron, medium heat. It's a generous offering of your favorite non-stick cook and spray. Then this is just going to go right in here. You know your pan's ready when you see that little smoke coming off. Alright. Then you let it go to work. And then me personally, I like to use the old grease catcher. So we throw that on there. And probably going to need about 10 minutes or so. But we'll come back here in just a minute. Alright, time to check on our scrapple. It's been a few minutes. So really we flour this so that we get a little crust on it. And you can see our edges are starting to curl up on this little piece. And it's looking pretty good. So we're going to flip. And you know, we're going to look for a darker, heavier crust than that here in a minute or two. But I'm a fan of flipping often as to not burn it. But you see how it's kind of still a little bit loose? We got that crust. That's sort of what we're looking for. Of course, this doesn't need any salt and pepper or anything like that. Okay. Cover it up. Have a bite. Alright, so been a few more minutes. So we're going to come and do the old flipperooski. Oh, that's what we're looking for. Hear that? That's that crust you're looking for. Now I'm going to let this cook a little bit longer on the first side because the scrapple was cold when I put it in the pan. So we want it to cook all the way through, but that's really what you're looking for. She's almost done. Alright, so this little piece is ready to come off. Now when they come off, they go on a paper towel. Help catch some of that grease. So I think we're probably about ready. We're going to take these guys off. And then turn my pan back down because I'm going to cook some eggs here in a minute. But that's it.